back to JK39. This is my part 3 of my Rubik's Cube collection, my last part. And here we got the last 5 cubes. Let me show them to you. I think this is the 2x2x3. Let me just open it. See, it is. Oh, that was weird. What am I doing? Let me just get that back. That's just weird. We got the, what was it? Fisher cube. This is like the other ones. See, this one can also shift. Oh, I don't want to do that. I do not want to mix that. Here we got the keychain cube. Okay, that's instructions. Okay, this feels weird. Nope, this just feels weird. Let's just put the back together. Here we got the 3x3. This is my favorite. I love this one. Yeah. And my last of the collection was the keychain Mega Mix. I do not know how to solve this, and I don't think I will ever will. Jesus. This is a freaking hard cube. So big. I can hold it like a ball. Well, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, share, and I'm gonna just tell you guys that I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to solve the 3x3. So yeah, please. Thank you for watching. See you next time.